My skin is clear, supple, and glowing. My personal hygiene is a ritual that I love to perform. My complexion is flawless. I take pride in my appearance.
She could beat me, but she cannot beat my outfit.
Hey y'all, welcome to my shower. Today we're doing a shower routine. One thing about me is it's not a crave shower if the water isn't burning hot. I need to cook, I need to boil. Who else is like that? Because same. I just wanted to show y'all my African net sponge. That's what I was using to shower, but it's just run its course. It's not as exfoliating as it once was. Now I'm using these pink exfoliating gloves that I got. I like to use just something exfoliating every time that I shower so you can really have that smooth skin. People think it's really the products, and yes, products help, but nothing will get your skin that glowy, smooth, effortless, flawless look if you don't exfoliate and you're not doing it properly. Okay, so the soap that I'm gonna be cleansing with is this very clean soap, especially if you're into that, by Dr. Natural. It's their plant-based Castile soap, and you can literally use this for everything. Like, y'all, I love this soap. It's so chef's kiss. It is the eucalyptus one. It's gentle and hypoallergenic. If you even go back to the ingredients, it barely has too much ingredients on it. And personally, that's such a steal because, babes, I'm literally just trying to wash my body. Why is there 100,000 ingredients on the back? We don't need that. So as y'all can see, I just took the soap in my hands and I'm just washing my armpit with my hands as I lathered up the soap. And that's not how I wash my armpits. I wash my armpits exactly how I do the rest of my body, but in your armpits, we sweat, we wear deodorant, we put oils. I put oils on my armpits, so I just like to put all of that off and get that off, but I just don't like to get all of that in my washcloth, so I like to clean it off and then I'll go back and scrub it with my exfoliation gloves. I don't know why I keep calling it a washcloth. And FYI guys, I do this process two times, so this is just me scrubbing my legs again. I already went and did my upper body again. Also, between every section with my arms, my legs, whatever I'm doing, I don't use that same pump of soap that I used. I always go back and rinse off my exfoliation gloves, then I reapply more soap and scrub the next area. If you know me and you're not new, you know that I've been using this scrub for a very long time. I really like this scrub, but it's ironic because I do like things that are like abrasive, but I've just not found a scrub that generally just makes my skin soft without making my skin feel oily or the ground below me oily. It actually doesn't have really huge beads, but there's just something about the formula that makes your skin so smooth and so soft when you put it on. It has kind of like a fruity, perfumey smell, but it's not too overpowering. So I really like that because I feel like a lot of scrubs, it just smells too scented. I used 2 scrubs, and unfortunately this second scrub is not for sale. I got it from my mom. I have a very holistic mother and she, packages this scrub for me. I don't know what she puts in it, but y'all, this stuff is the way and the truth. I know she has like, I think African black soap in it, some oils. Yeah, I put this in my armpits. I put it on my knees and my elbows and it gets me right every single time. Now, I told y'all that Dr. Natural soap is very good and I even use it on my face, but recently I've been using this collagen soap that I saw was going viral on TikTok. Funny story, I didn't even know that I had it because I guess I ordered it but I lost it, but I found it in my closet, so like I've been using it for a week. It is a collagen soap. The people say as you get older the collagen stops producing. This soap is full of collagen. It looks really cool. It literally looks like an egg with yolk on the inside of it. I could be tripping, but I don't think I am. It makes my skin feel really soft, and not soft, it makes it feel like smooth is the word, and very clean. Like when I use this soap, I know that my face is getting clean. And please don't forget to get y'all's ears, guys. Please, you, yes, you, you right there, clean those ears, boo. You don't want your ears smelling like Cheeto Puffs. Clean your ears. Clean the back of them ears. Not gonna lie, one thing Crave hates is when people get out the shower and they don't dry yourself. Like, why you don't just dry yourself? Why are you trying to leave water everywhere? I don't know, that's just how I was raised. It is actually another day. I did have to, pick it back up where I left off because your girl, stuff has just been estoy loca. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's been crazy. Stuff's been crazy. It's been real. Now that we finished the shower segment, I want to show y'all what I do to make my skin all glowing. I don't have on anything on right now besides my face. I got a couple little combos. Voila, huzzah. Yes, I use 2 moisturizers. I get down and I don't play. This is like an exfoliating lotion. I never really used to use this, but the girlies put me on. It's like an exfoliating lotion because it has 15% lactic acid in it. And it's for flaky, ashy, and dry skin. After I put this on, I go in with my Vaseline, the Cocoa Radiant, just to kind of lock all the moisture in. But sometimes I don't like this combo. It's summer and it's very hot where I live, so a lot of the times I won't go in with both moisturizers everywhere, but I'll always do my legs with both moisturizers. For like an everyday thing, the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion is one of my favorites. It's actually like moisturizing and it really lasts. Yeah, like I be moisturized. Like the stuff be sealed in whenever I use this Aveeno. Aveeno does not play, and I love y'all for that. And I love that for me that I using this bomb lotion. Like it's bomb, for real, and it lasts. This is just what I like to use, kind of like if I'm going somewhere during the day. That's mostly for if I shower in the night, but this is for like the day because it's much more light on me and it smells really good. It's by Prideful. I don't know if y'all have heard about these lotions. They have like rainbow colors and they all have like their own different scent. This one, like if you just want to smell clean, it smells so clean. Like it just smells so fresh. It smells so fresh. Like I can't describe it. It's like it doesn't give like a perfumey smell. It just smells like wow. Like that's literally like if clean had a smell, it would be this. This is the orange and mango scented body butter. To me, it doesn't smell like orange or mango. It just smells really clean. Okay, so a lot of people don't talk about armpit care, but one thing about me, I'm gonna take care of these pits. So this is what I do to my armpits. I use 100% tea tree oil and I just put a couple drops on my hand. I don't really feel like it matters the brand. This is the Cocoa Care brand and it's 100%. I just put some on my fingertips. I rub it into my armpits. It's really good because it's antibacterial. And the thing that makes people musty or smell some type of way or smell bad is just like a buildup of bacteria. And that's where BO comes from. And I usually don't put on deodorant unless I'm going somewhere, but the deodorant I use is by Native and it's the, which one is this? The coconut one? It's cocoa something, I think. And yeah, it's really natural. It's a natural deodorant, but it works really good. I don't sweat when I have this on. And I feel like when you apply your deodorant with oil on top, it's just a lot smoother too. Everything about the application is just better. And I saw this on TikTok, how people don't like, do y'all do this to your armpits after you put on deodorant? Because people are like, oh my gosh, I didn't know like you were supposed to do that. Yeah, you gotta like rub it in. So fresh, so clean, period. Alright y'all, that was it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for my skincare for my face, because the girlies been wanting it, the guys want it, the gays want it, everybody wants it. Or maybe I'm just delusional and I'm in my head. Yeah y'all, this is the shower routine. It's really simple guys, it's really ain't nothing really to it but to do it. If you exfoliate and moisturize good, you're gonna have smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. Until next time, take over the world.